Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing in Apex Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. So you just need to go to settings, then go to Windows Update and check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and after that restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU as well. Depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using Nvidia, so there is an app called Nvidia. I can go to my Nvidia app, go to graphics or drivers, and then if there is an update on my GPU, it will be here and I can install it here. And after that, I just need to restart my computer. So this is the first step. Second step, if you have a Nvidia GPU, you just need to right click on it, go to show more options and select Nvidia control panel, then go to manage 3D settings, and then you can go to program settings and select Apex Legends, but I like to do on global settings. So here you need to just tweak few settings, right? So first of all, you need to scroll down a bit until you see monitor technology. If available for you G-Sync compatible, use this, but if it's not, then use fixed refresh rate. Then the next thing that you need to do here, you need to go to power management mode, and then here you need to select prefer maximum performance, then preferred refresh rate, select highest available, then this option here, texture filtering and isotropic sample options, make sure it's on. Then texture filtering quality, select high performance, then texture filtering trilinear, and make sure it's on. Then you need to look for threaded optimization, make sure it's on. And then you need to look VSync, and VSync should be off. And then virtual reality pre-rendered frames should be 2, and then after this just apply the settings, right? And after this we can go with other steps. So the first step, what we need to do here, we need to go to settings again, then we need to go to gaming, go to game bar and make sure this is this game bar is disabled. Then go back, go to game mode, and on game mode make sure game mode is enabled here. Then go to services, just click on the services. I know why it's not working, let's try again. Then click on one of the tasks here and press S, right? And press until you see sysmain, right? Sysmain, right click on it, just press stop, then go to properties, startup type, and make sure it's disabled, apply OK, and then you can close this window. Then depending on where you got the game, on Steam or EA app, for example, you need to go to that particular client, go to Apex Legends, and then you just need to click on it, manage, and then view properties, and then you just need to write -high plus FPS underscore max 0 and minus no vid. So just put this thing here on your game. Then you just need to open folder and go to the Apex Legends files. So you should find R5 Apex exe and R5 Apex DX12. So first with R5 Apex exe, you just need to right click on it. Then you need to go to properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimization is selected, then select change high DPI settings, make sure this option selected and select application, press OK, OK. Same thing with the DX12, go to properties, compatibility, make sure it's the disable full screen optimization is enabled, then change high DPI settings, and then select this, application, hit OK, OK, right? And when you are on the folder section of Apex Legends, make sure press on the blank space here and copy the path of the files, because we will need that, right? Then you just need to, you can close this. On search, you just need to write graphic settings. And on graphic settings, we need to do a few things here. First of all, expand advanced graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is selected, right? Then you need to look for R5 Apex DX12 exe file and R5 Apex exe file on this window here. If you cannot see it, you just need to add it manually. So what you need to do here, you just need to press add desktop app, then paste the path that we copied, and then you just need to add manually, right? R5 Apex and DX12. If I add this, as you can see here, for me it's added, but for you it may be different. And then once you see these two programs here, you just need to expand them. Make sure it's selected window for windowed games, and then on GPU preference, make sure it's high performance, and here also make sure this option is enabled and high performance as well, right? And then we need to proceed with other steps. So on search, you just need to write edit power plan, then select power options, then select ultimate performance. If you cannot see this option and if it's not available for you, you just need to select high performance, and then you can close this window here. Then you need to go to view advanced system settings, and on view advanced system settings you need to be on advanced tab. Then you need to select under performance should be settings, then select advanced again, and then here should be virtual memory, and press change, right? And then you just need to duplicate your RAM times 200. So for example, as you can see here, if I go to system information, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. As you can see here, should be somewhere here, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So what I need to do here, I just need to pull out my calculator, and then I need to do 16 times 2000, right? And I will get 32,000 number, and I just need to go to and write that particular number to my initial size and maximum size. If you, let's say, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, you just need to 8 duplicate by 2000, and the number will be that you need to put 16,000, right? So probably you get the point, and then just apply OK, and we can proceed with other steps. So the first step, what I suggest you to do here is to write run or press Windows and I key. Then you just need to write %appdata % here and click OK, and then this window will pop up. And here you just need to look for Apex Legends folder, EA app, or Easy Anti-Cheat, or Electronic Arts, and then you just need to delete these folders. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't affect your game, right? Just delete the files here, and then we can proceed with other steps. So then the next step, what you need to do here, you just need to go to settings, then you need to go to storage settings, then look for temporary files, and then select recycle bin as well, downloads if you want to, and then just remove all the files here. It can help with your basically lagging FPS drops and more as well here. And if you're lagging, then we can proceed with other steps with lag. So first of all, what I suggest to do here is to open a browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, you're good to go, but maybe if you don't, limit some devices or restart your router. And always, if there is a possibility, use Ethernet cable, right? Then if you're still lagging, then we can proceed with other steps. First of all, open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here we can you just need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And another command is space winsock reset, right? And after that, restart your computer. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet here. Then select advanced network settings, and then reset your network here. And restart your computer. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. Then go to the network and internet. Then go to advanced network settings again, select your internet connection here, then go to more adapter options, then select Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses and try Google's DNS server. So Google's DNS is 8.8.8.8. On alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. And after that, just restart your computer and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then open up Task Manager and also sort it out by network, CPU, and GPU one by one, and then end the task that you don't use while playing the game. Also, it will help you with lag, stuttering, and freezing. Also, run the game, go to details, then look for Apex Legends .exe file here, right click on it, then set priority and make it to high, right? And then we can proceed with other steps on in-game settings. And in-game settings, on display mode, always use full screen if it's available. If there is a availability, then aspect ratio and resolution, basically it's up to you what you want to use. Then on VSync, make sure VSync is turned off. Nvidia Reflex, I like to use enable plus boost. Then anti-aliasing none. Texture streaming budget is very low. Texture filtering by linear. Ambient occlusion quality disabled. And then everything here from sun shadow coverage until ragdolls should be low or disabled. Apply the changes and you should not be getting FPS drops, lagging, stuttering, and freezing issues, or a little bit less. It should help you quite a lot, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.